affiliate marketing spending alone in USA is more than 8.2 billion till 2022. A recent survey has been found that 80% of brands and 82% of publishers use affiliate marketing to drive revenue. Even more, in Google Trends, affiliate market terms has increased by 200% by 2022 from 2015. But how you can leverage affiliate marketing for your brand? Here are 2 tips. First, contact and build relationship with publishers, as many as you can, definitely relevant to your industry. Second, create a strong compensation model, making sure it's competitive and you have done a strong competitive research. Third, leverage the power of affiliate network. Use platforms like CJ, Impact, ShareSale, create your account and leverage those networks. Lastly, run a long-term campaigns, not a one-off campaigns. Making sure all the campaigns you run is go for like a couple of months or a year or so, and then you are able to calculate the ROI, and I promise you that you will see a good increase. That's 1 minute of marketing.